2、1、GO! 普通に
ダメ
セクシーに
ダメ
機械みたいに
ダメ
可愛く
ダメ
ショタボで
ダメだよ。
This is not a cosplay, everyone. This is not a cosplay. This is just an anime makeup. But if I ever have a chance to cosplay my favorite anime character, it would be Lina Lee, my favorite Marisu, and Annie. Even though she have like 100% European feature. Bye bye.
We'd rather have
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to do, I actually don't know what I'm going to do, but basically I saw this trending makeup on TikTok. It's like a new e-girl makeup, and it kind of looks like an anime makeup, so I want to do it too here in my channel. So, yeah, I'm going to call this anime makeup. Just for the disclaimer, this is not a cosplay, just simply an anime makeup. I know for a fact that Nikki Tutorials also did this in her channel, and I want to do the same. But I'm going to wear a wig later on, so I'm probably going to call this a transformation. I don't know what I'm saying, but let's just get into the makeup. So I don't know if there's outfit when it comes to anime, but I just want to share this. This t-shirt I have, it's really cute. It's like a yandere shirt. I also have another one, this kind of retro shirt. I bought this from Shopee. I just thought it was cute, so I just want to share here. And so I'm going to start off with my brows. I also have a little bit of concealer on, so if you think I look pale, this is not my natural color. So I have this gray pencil. I want to draw my brows like sad brows, like shoujo anime brows, if you get what I mean. So I'm going to do that. I'm not gonna follow this part because it's going to be arch. If I follow this, I'm going to like draw it downward. I'm just going to show you. So I'm just going to block it using a concealer. I'm going to use my finger. I don't think I need to use glue for this because I really have a thin brows, so I don't think they need to be blocked anyway. Okay, that looks scary. Okay, so we're gonna make it work, don't worry. I'm going to use my finger to like soften this. Okay, so I'm going to use a powder, an eyeshadow to like sketch the hairs in there. Okay, now I'm going to use my concealer to just like erase or fix the shape. I don't like this. I want my strong brows. I mean, this is a strong brow. Like, I mean, my Warfreak brow. I think it suits my face better. I just think straight brows gives my face like even more rounded shape. Like, I can't take my face seriously. I'm going with a foundation, so I'm just going to use my foundation in Cretan. Usually anime girls have a lighter skin tone. I know for a fact that there are anime beauties with darker skin tone like Casca and Road Camelot, but they usually have lighter skin tone, so I'm going to use. This is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, so we're not turning orange today. Okay, I'm just gonna. This is 2 pumps. I'm just gonna distribute it using this brush because my beauty blender kind of disappeared to me. Okay, that's a lot. I'm gonna use this to like distribute the product. I'm going to use this lip tint just like I used last time. Just going to put it here. Basically, I'm gonna be generous with this. Okay, I'm just gonna use my finger. Okay, I think that's too much. I'm going to put it on my chin also. I'm gonna use brown eyeshadow to sketch out some freckles. I'm going to use some powder. So I'm going to use a peachy eyeshadow for like a blush.
Oh. Ang lalolain dahil. Mommy. Sabi mo magbabay ka. Ano yan?
I forgot I also have this, which is a double eyelid tape. I want to use this, even though I already have double eyelids on.
I think eyes yan.
I feel like this is going to give me 4 eyelids if I use this. So it's going to give them wrinkles if they use this every day. Okay. I can't work with this. I'm sorry, I'm going to pass this. Maybe I will use this in my other videos. I'm gonna take this brush and just sketch out my new nose. So I'm going to powder the areas where I need it. I'm gonna be using concealer for like a base for my eyes. I'm going to use a white eyeshadow for like I'm going to pack it all over my lids. For the fun part, I'm going to use white eyeliner on my waterline. This is also scary because I never put any product on my waterline before because I'm scared of it. But I'm gonna take a risk. I'm crying. Okay, that hurts a lot. I'm crying. Okay, I can't take this. I'm going to use a black pencil for like sketching my base for like my black eyeliner. I'm gonna take a brown eyeshadow I'm gonna take champagne color and like put it here. Gonna draw fake bottom lashes here. Okay, so I just put some lashes off camera. I definitely look cute, just my eyes, but I'm starting to like this makeup, so let's move on to the highlight. Okay, last step is some highlight. Some powder to matte my lips. I'm gonna take some concealer to conceal some of the edges of my lips. For the hair, I'm just going to use a wig, but I don't have my wig cap on, so I'm just going to tie my hair back and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final result of my anime makeup transformation. I just put on some wig. I just bought this from Shopee, and I put on some headband to cover up the weird shape it's giving me. I will just leave the links down below. Also the wig and my outfit, the accessories, I'm going to also leave this in the description down below, so make sure to check it out and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. I will see you guys in my next video.